Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video you will learn how to draw pictorial drawings using Fusion 360. So there are three main types for pictorial drawing, which are oblique drawing, isometric drawing, and the perspective drawings. So the first thing you need to know about the oblique, that it is actually the front view, and you need to draw the object with 45 degree here. The isometric drawings, it's the isometric, so it should be 30 from each side, so 30 degree here and 30 degree here. The perspective drawing, so you need to define the perspective point, the vantage point. Okay, so this is the perspective drawing. So let's get started. So you need to know those three keys here: the escape key, the tab key, and the enter key here. The objective of today is to solve those three activities. Okay, so let's get started. So now let's go to LMS, go to your plan. Okay, go to your plan and then week 5, section 4. So here is the activity. You need to download this file. Click on this icon here. So here is the file. So here you need to submit your activity. Now let's go to the workbook. So this is the workbook here. So here you can view the question, and from here you need to submit the work. So as you can see, you need to enable editing, and here we go. Let's see the book. It's loading. So here is the book. Okay, so now, as I explained, I will solve with you three main activities, so you will get the idea of every type in pictorial drawing. So let's go to activity 2.4.3. The front elevation and the plan of the objects are shown. Draw an oblique view of this object. So as you can see here, the oblique view, you should put in mind 45 degree angle, and to start with the front view here. Here we go. Here you need to start new design. So we already have one, no need for that. So before start, let me start a box here, and let me show you the basics here. 50, then enter, then another 50 here. So you need to know that this one here is the orbit key. You can have a look at your design from 360 angle here. You see, this one here, the pan, is to move it. Where do you want it to be moved? Anywhere here. And then this one is to zoom in and out. Just click and then go down and go up, down and up. So if you lose control here, you need to go to cube. So this is the cube here. You just click on the front view, and here we go. Okay, and here you can view it from top, and then there are two arrows here. You can do like this, and then you can also click the corner. So this is an overview of the main tools here that you need to understand before start this video. Okay, so now let me delete everything here. So, and this is the timeline. You can go back and just remove everything you've done. So now let's do the first question. So here we go, we need to draw this one and then do the oblique view. Okay, so let's get started. Now you go to create, and then you need to create sketch, or if you have sketch here, you just go direct and click on it. After that, of course, you need to choose a plane. In this case, click on the right plane here, because this is the plane where you see the most of the object. So click on right, click on this plane, and then everything here will change to you to sketch view. So what will be the sizes? So we need to create a line from here to here, 90 millimeter, and then from here to here 30, since this one also 30, and then here also 30, as you can see. So here 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, and then back to 30 to close the object. Okay, so let's do this. So now we need to click on the line. You just find the line from whatever you have here. Click on line, then click on the center where you want to start your first point. Okay, place, and then see when I click on enter, this what happened. So there are two inputs here, one here for the side length, or 10, see, 10 or 100. Okay, so this is the length of the line and this is for the degree. So if I want it 90 degree, if I want it, of course, 180. So see, it fixed, the degree now is fixed, because you can see there is a lock here. If you want to remove it, just click on escape view, escape. So when you click on escape, it will take you back to write whatever number you want, and then again here escape, it will take you off. So now let's do the first one based on our question. So here I will click here, and then it should be the line, the degree should be like this, right? And the length here, what will be the length? It is 90, so I will click on 90. Okay, then see when I give the number, it's already there is a lock icon, so only you can click on the place. Just give it one click. Now go up. So now here I need to put 30 exactly, and then see it's lock shows, then you have to go give it one click, so you can give it the action, one click, so for the action, and then go here. Also you can go 1, 2, 3, so this is 30, or you can write 30 direct, and then it will give you a look, then give it a click, one click here, then go up also 30, give it a click. See, don't click, if you see this right, don't click on it, because this right icon shows that you want to finish the sketch, and we are not done with the sketch, so we don't want to finish it, so don't click on here. Okay, so this is 30 millimeter, click, and then go down another 30, okay, click, and then go right another 30, then click, then go down another 30, then click. So here we go. So see, when I click, I close the object. As you can see, I still can't draw anything I want. So to escape this, I need to, or to exit this, I need to click on the escape key on the keyboard. Now this is extra one, I need to trim it, so I will delete. Okay, first now I want to go out of this, I need to click what? Escape on the keyboard. So now this is the dimension. As you can see, this is 30, this is 30, and this is 90, and you can put it in the middle, go up and go down. Okay, so here you need to understand that you can click on show dimension, tick, and you can remove it from this one here. And also there is a constraint here, you can remove it also, so you can have a clean view here. Also to if you don't have this one, if you don't see, there will be an arrow here, you click here and go down like this. You see, you can open and close. Also this one you can just open it widely, and then also this one you can take it up or down. Okay, so now what will be the second step? So I draw the front elevation here. This is the first step. Second step here is to draw a line. So this line here will be the depth, and this line should be drawn in 45 degree. Why? So why I should make it 45 degree? This is a law. If you are drawing oblique view, you need to make the angle 45 degree. Okay, so now let's do the second step here. Still make sure that you are in the sketch view, you don't click on finish sketch yet. Okay, then go to create line, or find your line from your view. Okay, now click on the corner, every corner you have where you can draw a line. Draw the line. The length here is the depth. What is the depth in our case? Let's see. The depth here is 40 millimeters. So let's do 40 millimeters for 0, and then click on tab, and then go for the 45 degree, and then give it a double click. Then go here again, 40 millimeter, another tab, and then 45 degree, and make sure that the 45 is in the right angle. Okay, and then double click here. No, so you see here a mistake happened. So what should I do? I can go only one step back and do the line, and do the line, and start all over again. So now to zoom it, I need to go like this and go down, and then I click on pan to put it down like this. Okay, so now let me go to create line, and then click on the corner here, and then draw my line. So here is 40, and here 45, and then double click. So as you can see, if you make any mistake, you always can undo the line. You can trim it also and start all over again. Now as you can see, I need to go down. What I have to do, click on this pan and then move this one up, and now here I can draw. So create line, and then click on here again, 40, and then tab 45. So you see it's already automatic now, and then double click. So as you can see here, now I create all the lines, all of them in one angle, 45 angle. Now I have to create a horizontal and a vertical lines for every line. Okay, so just move this down and let's start drawing lines. Okay, so here to here and then double click. That's it. Okay, and then take this one up, or we want to zoom out. So now I think this is good. So click on escape to go back here. So then this is the first point and this is the second point, done. And then we need to go down from this point to this point. So see, when I say this point, I click here one and then give it another click here. Okay, and then another click here, another click here, and then from this one to this one. So now if you want to remove those, just remove it. Okay, click on here to remove from modify, and then trim to remove all the extra lines, the construction lines here that you are having here. And that's it. Now take a screenshot and upload it in the question, which is 3.4.3. So now this is the question. From the same view here, you need to create isometric view. So how to do this? So we need to know one information from this page is that the depth here is 40. Okay, so let's go back here. Now we need to extrude this, and we need to make it, the extrude distance is 40 millimeter. How to do this? Let's go to create, then click on extrude. We need to select this one because this one we need to have a depth. So the depth here is 40 millimeter. Okay, and then click on enter. So as you can see, when I click on enter, I created 3D, but you still can't see it. Why? Because you are seeing it from the right view. Now click on the home view, as you can see. So here we go. So this is the 3D object. Now let's create isometric view. How to do so? Go to file, click on new drawing, and then from design you need to save this. So this is activity, and then of course your name, and then your class. Okay, and then here you click on save. Okay, and then a new window will show here. Everything is fine, just click on OK. Now it will take you to the drawing page here, as you can see. Okay, so you will, if you didn't see the window here, you click on this arrow, go to the orientation. In this case, click on NE isometric. Okay, northeast isometric. Click on this one, and then here is your isometric. Place the base view, change the style. So let's click on visible and hidden edges, and then click on OK. Okay, so this is our isometric view, as you can see here. So there is an angle of 30 degrees. To make sure of this angle, you just need to create a line. How to create a line? Let's go to create sketch here, and then go to geometry, and then line, and then from here click one line, and then exit, escape, go to geometry again, line. From here make sure that the line is straight. Okay, and then click on escape, then click on finish sketching. So this is the line here. So I want to take the dimension to check whether this is a real 30. Click on dimension, go to the angular dimension, and then you need to click on this one, and then this one, and then as you can see, this is the dimension here. So it's 30, and then go to the dimension, angular. So as you can see here, it's very accurate. And then here's 30.2. So if you get the dimension here 29.9, 29.8, 0.00, because this is accurate 2 digits, so it's actually fine because it's almost 30 degrees. So this is our second isometric drawing. You can click on output, then see when you see the PDF, click on all sheets, then click on OK, and then click on continue, and then choose your place, and then save the file. In this question I just need you to have a screenshot and then put it here. Now let's go to the final question. So this is a cube here. Using the drawn leading edges and vanishing points below, complete a 2-point perspective of a cube. So how to do that? Let's go to new design here. Okay, let's create our cube just to have our vision, although no need for it here. Create box and then click on the center and then click on the center. So give it a number which is 50. It's up to you what number you want or what size you want. So let's make it 50 50 and then enter, and then another 50 for the height, then click on enter. So this is your cube. Now you want to draw a perspective drawing here. Okay, so the perspective drawing, so you need to have the vanish point. So in this question here we have 2 vanish points, so there will be 2-point perspective. Okay, so and this is the horizontal line, and this is the line where you want to start your drawing with. Okay, so this is perfect. Go to the right. Okay, now let's go down a little bit and let's start drawing our perspective views. Go to create sketch and then click on the right. Okay, now go to create a line, then let's draw a line here. The line is, let's make it 300 length, and then click, and here double click so I can go. Okay, so this is the line. Here is vanish point 1 and here is vanish point 2. Okay, so now I need to draw a line down there. So let me zoom out, and I need to create a line in the middle here. Why 50? Because our cube is 50. So 50. This is our, now I need to click on escape. Okay, so this is our line. I need to take off the dimension. I don't need the dimension. Okay, so what will be the first step here? First step is to draw a line and connect those 2 lines, one in each vanish point. So this is very easy. Go to create line, then from this line to here double click, and then from this point here to here double click again, from this point to here double click, and then from this point to here another double click. So now the second step here is to draw a vertical lines here. So where exactly do we have to draw the lines? We have to draw it 50 millimeter from the center here. Why 50? Because the depth, the length, the width here is 50. So let's do that. Go create line, then take a line and make it 50 and then click here. Okay, so now from this line you need to go down till the second point, then double click. Do the same here, from here to there it should be 50 millimeter, and then double click, and then from here you need to go down and then double click here. So as you can see, now we draw a vertical lines. Now you connect this line to this point and this line to this point, and this is the final step here. So click on this line, click on this point, go to there, double click, and then from this line to there double click, and that's it. So this is the 2-point perspective view. Take a screenshot and upload it in question number 14. Good luck.